It is Friday evening, the 1st of August, and we are at the Wood County Fair. We're following Joyce around the Wood County Fair. Look at all the fun stuff, and it's really pretty out today. This is the first day that it's actually a nice day to walk around. Temperature-wise, there's no rain. It's a little breezy, but that's nice.
It's Friday night. It's Friday night. Everybody's out.
Everybody's out. There's tons and tons of people. The tonnage is real. All kinds of foods here. Yum, yum, yum. Classic fair games. Chinese food. And that barn right there is where the treasure lies. It is the 4-H milkshake barn. That's what I come here for. They have the choice of chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate chip mint. And it's all ridiculously delicious, and you just have to get in line. So we're not going to do that right away because we want to go visit the rest of the fair first. Going into the Fine Arts building that's one of the things that we like to do. Look at all these fine arts. There's all sorts of cool stuff here.
Come back to that.
People that make models. Here's some interesting things.
Lamps out of random pieces of equipment.
Let's see. Is this like? Oh, nice. Good idea. Oh, the woodworking. This area here is for woodworking. I have entered some woodworking things in the past. Wow. That's nice.
I like the one right. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Look at the turn little cat.
Lavery's a place here near Bowling Green that sells wood and wood products. Frank Sales is where we bought our stuff for our house, like our appliances. Yes. Check out this welded dragon. Whoa. That's cool. Maybe walking sticks? Whoa, look at that Lego.
Look at the kitty.
Some more stuff over here.
That's nice. Oh, that's very nice. It's an air plant in the stained glass. I like that. Oh, it's pretty too. Very nice. Hot dog.
Now we've got some hot dogs. I got a coney dog, which is basically chili dog. And it was at the American Legion.
Legion Post.
Yep. So we get to support the Buckeye Boys State and girls and stuff. Yeah, and the veterans. Yeah. So pretty cool. And we might come back for more. Who knows? So yum.
You see it?
Yeah. Look at that hot dog.
Now I got my hands full.
And the Diet Coke. And we're gonna walk around a little bit more. That's where the Elmwood Boosters is. Basically, they
Beef
sell
producers.
beef producers. They have
Ribeye sandwiches. They've got hamburgers and all kinds of yummy stuff. Beef.
now we are in the goat area.
It smells the hot dog on it.
We just ate our hot dogs, and I was walking while I ate, so I aspirated part of the hot dog, and I've been coughing for a while, so hopefully that stops soon. If we put them in the backyard and they eat all the grass so I don't have to do any mowing,
For real.
that would be great. They are very cute. Look at that. Hi.
May have gotten a bath. See, hey,
Oh, they're
they're munching.
eating.
Grand champion.
Oh. We have here a grand champion goat and reserve grand champion. This one, oh, I don't see anything in there. But this guy is a champion. Maybe they're together?
Yeah, they might.
So I don't know which one's which. But they look like champions.
Yes. I want a goat.
You can have a goat.
That would be awesome.
We found next to the Wood County Democrats building a funny statue that says, "Have an excellent time at the Wood County Fair." We found the monster trucks. Look at that. That's pretty cool. My understanding is that we cannot pass this area here. So I just thought it would be cool to show. Look at that. Monster trucks. We have found another place to It's a giant cow. Is it it's not inflated.
No, these are bales of straw.
Oh. Oh. Red.
Red, white, and blue affair.
Classic.
I love it.
It's from 4-H. Okay.
Winner in the bale decorating contest.
Nice.
Oh,
That is
I love
awesome.
it.
And what's this building here?
Grandstands.
It's where people sit there and watch stuff. It's getting dark already.
Ooh, the wall. It's a sea lion show.
They sure can dance. Come on, man. Show your dance look.
What is it?
The seal's name is Raya.
Oh. I heard they had seals this year.
Yeah.
So, fun story. One of my patients, a mother, gave her son some money for food, and he spent it on getting a photo with a seal instead. So,
I think that's worth it.
yeah. What have we found here? Okay, so we're here in line for the milkshake. So we have gotten the chocolate and vanilla milkshakes, and they are making a root beer float for us right now. And that's what it looks like in there. Is it good?
The chocolate is really good. I mean, this is really good too.
Hot diggity. So in this building, we find some produce that people have.
Ooh, look at the tall stalk. This one got
Oh,
wow.
is that a corn?
Yeah.
Oh, that is a tall corn.
Holy moly.
Corn. Wow. Yeah.
Pepper.
Some peppers, and then people just get voted on by the judges.
Who had the best pepper? Who had the best basket? Those are
Yeah,
nice.
very cool. Look at those melons, and it's like somebody made a salad over there. These are probably herbs. Zucchinis, yeah.
Longest zucchini.
Cool.
Taped here for years.
So, on this very wooden post, for many years, was a drawing that I made of Totoro.
There was one here and one here.
Yeah, because didn't we sit here for a little bit with some people, and then I wasn't doing anything, so I just drew. Yeah, I was bored.
He was bored.
I was bored. And so I drew Totoro, and we put it there.
Yep, we taped it right
And
here.
year after year, I don't remember when this was, a long time ago.
Oh, gosh.
Year after year after year, we'd come back and the Totoro was still there on that very post. So that's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
That's some history right there. And then here's, oh, look at that. Some corn. That's that's feed corn, as they say here. It's not for people eating. It's for animals. And then Joyce apparently Joyce has stepped on something.
No, I had it. Oh, I got it out. There was a stone in my shoe.
Oh, okay. Oof, that's better than if you had stepped on something.
No, I didn't step in doo-doo.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty dark. All right, we're getting ready to leave the fair now, I think. So, bye-bye, fair.
We have ice cream that is melting.
Yes, we got to go home.
Melting.
We might come back tomorrow. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see how we're feeling about it. All right, that's it for tonight.